Today we are going to be showing you how to root the HTC Inspire 4G from AT&T using Bubby's root method. Okay, once we have HTC Sync installed, we are going to want to uninstall the program so that it will just leave the drivers. So go to your Start, go to Control Panel, Uninstall Program, scroll down, you'll find HTC Sync, and you'll see that it's installed some other drivers. We're going to leave those, but we want to uninstall Sync. So click on Uninstall. Yes, we want to uninstall Microsoft Security Essentials, or if you're running another antivirus software program, I highly suggest uninstalling it before you download Bubby's program. If not, it can cause issues with downloading the program. Even just disabling it may not be enough. So I highly suggest just uninstalling it. We'll be sure to remember to reinstall it once we finish rooting our phone. So next step is we'll go ahead and restart. So we're going to go down here and we are going to download. It's 543 megabytes, so if you have a slow connection like I do, it will take a while. Now that we've downloaded the program, we are going to want to format our SD card. So we've connected our phone to our computer again. We need to change this, change it back to disk drive, and select Done. Now we will need to go in and turn on USB debugging mode. So you can go to Menu, Settings, scroll down to Applications, go to Development, and we want to enable USB debugging. Hit OK. Fast boot, we'll go ahead and disable that. So that's disabled. And we're going to format. So, as you can see, it's just under 8 gigs. FAT32 is what we want to do. I do not want to do a quick format just because I want to ensure that everything is off. Making the gold card, which is what we're getting ready to do, is the most crucial part of rooting this phone. So we'll hit Start. We'll let this take its time. Okay, now that we have formatted our SD card, we've downloaded the HTC Inspire program. Now we want to right click and go and Run as Administrator. And it'll go through and it'll extract a bunch of files. And we'll just wait and see. So just click through that. You'll be ready to make an gold card. So we want to select MMC2 for Inspire. Now we want to click on Get SID. It's telling us that it's executing, and now it's giving us the SID number. Highlight. Copy. Now we have to request an image file. Click on that. That's it. And you'll want to paste it and generate gold card. Now the gold card image has been sent to us via email. I'm going to go log in real quick. Alright, we've gotten our email. So we're going to download it. Now we've got to load the image file back in the tool that's going to make our gold card for us. So open that image. Now we're going to patch it make sure that you have that one selected, and we're going to patch it. Okay. It says success. It's now a gold card. This does not necessarily mean that it was a success. The only way you'll find out is if this procedure actually works. I am done making my gold card. Okay. Here we have Bubby's program. We're just about ready to go. One of the things we want to make sure that we do is in your folder, we want to eject from the Android phone. So now it says that it can safely be removed. So let's go back to our phone, and we want to change it from disk drive, and we want to change it to charge only. Now that we've got that done, so let's begin. Okay. Press any key to continue. It says pushing the exportable ROM to your SD card. This could take a while. Okay. It's finished pushing the exportable ROM to our SD card. Now it says when rebooting into bootloader to downgrade your Inspire. When fast boot comes up, press the power to enter HBoot. Then we're going to press enter on this command console. So now we have entered HBoot. So now we're going to press enter and press it twice. It says your phone should now search for the PD98image.zip and then ask you to install the update. It says here, SD checking loading, no image. It's looking for it again. No image, wrong image, and now it says loading PD98image.zip. Okay, now it's checking it, so let's just kind of let it work and do its process. Okay, it says, do you want to start the update? So we do. It says update in progress, do not power off the device. As it's going through this process, as you can tell right now, we have S on, as you can see that at the very top. We want that to say S off when this process is finished. Okay, it says update complete, press power to reboot. So, hit the power button. Okay, so now we've installed the update. We're going to press any key to continue. Okay. Says press power to reboot, which we just did that. So now it's come up. We have wiped our phone, so just go through this process. Go ahead and skip everything and finish. Okay. So now we want, it's on charge only, so we want that. Go to menu and settings, and scroll down to applications. We want to turn fast boot off. Unknown sources, we want to enable that. Development and US debugging, we'll turn that on. Okay, take it back out to the home screen. So now we are going to press any key to continue. Okay. Okay. Now it's doing the radio exploit. Press any key to continue. So let's continue on. Okay. Success. Open the terminal on your phone and type these simple commands, each followed by an enter. And there it is. Press any key to continue. So now we're going to type in /data local temp rage. So type in /data, D-A-T, /local /TMP /rage. Okay. Now we're going to press any key to continue. It says wait for the message Fort numbers and childs. So as you can see, it says Fort 4971 child. So back up to here. Launch terminal emulator again in the phone. It'll force close, launch it a second time, and then you'll have TEMP-ROOT shell. So at this point, this is where it's imperative that you back out of the program. Do not hit your home button. You want to hit the back. What this will do, this will log out of terminal emulator. So we'll press it. It says force close. We'll close it. Press it again. And this time it has booted up. So now we're going to press enter to continue. Now we're going to type these commands. It's going to go through its process, and when it gets done, it's going to be like here. Now we're going to type in sync and hit enter. Okay, now that that's done, press any key to continue. You can now exit the terminal on your phone. Okay, it's going to go through its own processes again. Now it's going to push the cooked AT&T stock ROM. Alright, and we're back. It says you should now have S off, but let's check and make sure. So press any key. It says looking for the device. The script will not continue if the phone is not connected. Okay, so now it's asking us if the bootloader says S off, and it does. We have S off. Okay. If it does, then we have S off, so let's press any key to continue. Okay. Now that you have S off, we can flash a cooked stock ROM with root, BusyBox, Super User, and HSUPA and sideloading. Select bootloader if need be, then continue. As you can see, bootloader is already selected. Press any key to continue. Let bootloader scan for the image, and then apply the update. We'll get volume yes to start the update, and we'll get back to you when this is finished. Alright, it's finished, so we're going to press power to reboot. Do that. Come back up to our command console. Press any key. When it's done, press power to reboot. Press enter to continue. Your phone now has S off, root, and clockwork. And that, my friends, is how you get root. Your next step is you're going to want to double check that you do have root by using Super User or downloading a root checker from the market. And as you can see, we have the Super User app, which means we now have root.